me,
Tumingin sa kanan.
tumingin sa ano eh, tumingin sa kanan, love for me.
Kaya direct may ako tumingin.
For me, love is a commitment.
Okay.
Love is everywhere kasi. So, sa work, sa tao, so, pag andyan ka na, pag yung pagdadaanan ng struggles, ups and downs, so talagang matetest kayo ng bagay-bagay. But then, kaya ako sinabi na love is a commitment kasi,
Alam mo, kailangan ko ng focus dito. Kasi nga, ang iingas may mga naririnig mo eh.
kaya ako nasabing love is a commitment kasi, yun nga, talagang kailangan mo talaga pag-isipan bago ka magmahal. Kasi may masasaktan ka if hindi mo binigay yung 100%.
Are you committed? Dahil joke.
Sa movie na to siya.
Yeah. Will, what is love for Will Ashley?
Gusto sa akin, may ganyan. Bakit? Love? Bakit? Napakarami kasi eh. Pero agree ako kay... I mean, marami ibig sabihin na. So,
Inuhuli ka ni Cyril eh.
agree ako sa lahat ng sinabi nila. So, copy-paste. Then, ayun, pag-commit talaga eh. Pag-commit tayo. Kasi, yun talaga yung the best thing to do eh.
You give your 100%.
Yeah. And ano ba ba? You give your 100% without expecting anything in return. Parang
Galing. Thank you, Will. Bianca, what is love for you?
Wala ko aminin ko kasi talaga, Sir MJ. I'm such a lover girl. I love
What do you mean by a lover girl?
I love love. I love talking about love. Gusto ko yung minamahal ako at may nagmamahal sa akin. I love love. I think it's so beautiful. Pero siguro, growing up, syempre iba't ibang klaseng love naman yung na-experience natin lahat. Syempre iba't ibang love yung nabibigay natin sa bawat tao na nakakasalamuhan natin. But I think isa lang yung common denominator nilang lahat for me. I feel like love is unconditional. It comes without, again, no conditions. Para sa akin, parang tuwing tinatanong ako, lagi pag-interview, paano mo malalaman kung mahal mo yung isang tao? The thing is, with me, I can't pinpoint it. Ang alam ko lang is that mahal kita. Yan lang. Walang specific reason, walang expectations. I just love you. So I think love is unconditional.
Alright, ang galing. O, diba? We're just getting started. Pero I have the questions right here from our friends on the press. We begin from Push. For Bianca, Will, and Dustin, how was it working together in your first film? What have you discovered in each other? How was it working? Kamusta?
Well, like I always say, ay sorry, ikaw ba muna? Ikaw na muna. Wala, bakit may pag-ano? Bakit may pag-applause? Wala. Well, for you. Ano?
How was it working?
Go ka muna.
nasa ka sa akin. How was it working? Kasi nagkasama tayo sa loob ng bahay, share natin yung totoong story ng buhay natin. Nakilala ko kayo bilang kayo. Pero nung nakatrabaho ko kayo, nakita ko yung lalim ninyo, yung pagkaseryoso ninyo sa craft ninyo. Lahat kayo, actually. So, siguro yung na-discover ko, yung... Bless you. Yung na-discover ko na parang... wala tuloy ako. Yung pagkaseryoso nila sa craft talaga nila. Kapag nasa trabaho, 100% talaga yung ibibigay nila. And, kamusta? Sobrang naging, smooth na talaga. Kasi dire-diretso lang. Kasi nakakatuwa na lahat kami hindi nahirapan kasi lahat kami nagtulong-tulong talaga para ibuhos yung puso namin para dito sa pelikula ito.
Dustin, how was it working?
Ako, MJ, Bus, halos lahat sila first time ko makatrabaho. First time ko rin makatrabaho ng Star Cinema. So, ako kasi bilang tao,
mo ng dictionary.
Napaka-observant kong tao. Kumbaga, pag-aaralan ko talaga yung bawat kilos, kung paano sila magtrabaho. So, lahat sila talaga, habang nasa set kami, talaga hindi nila alam na inaaral ko na yung mga ginagawa nila. So, ang dami ko napupulot, ang dami ko na-discover sa kanila kung paano sila bago mag-action, mag-take. So, ako, nandun talaga ako para matuto. So, inaamin ko naman talaga na ang dami ko talagang napulot sa kanila. Lahat
That's
sila
good.
sobra.
That's good. B.
Well, I'm gonna be really honest. Grabe yung pressure ko nung nalaman ko. And even every day na, every time magta-taping kami, yung pressure bilang leading lady nila pareho. Yan.
Ano yung line mo? Ano yung line mo?
Yan.
Baliktad. Yung microphone.
Yung line niya. Hindi, seryoso. Because gusto ko lang sabihin na Miss Tracy, Miss Joy, and Miss Annette, you've raised, raised!
No, syempre kasi nilalagaan nyo nga naman.
You have two beautiful... Oy, seryoso.
Totoo naman. There's nothing wrong with that. Anak-anakan.
Seryoso na talaga. Grabe kasi yung dalawang to. Grabe yung talent nila and what they bring into the table. Grabe. So, again, two beautiful souls, two beautiful boys, two... Parang nilawan nila sila. Seriously, I'm sure you're very, very proud of them and I see why you put so much trust into the both of them and why you pour so much of your hearts into them. So, yeah, thank you, Dustin and Will, for...
Di pa tapos.
Wala pa pala. Oo nga pala.
Ang ating pag-ending niya.
Sorry. Wala lang.
Okay, next question is for Direct May and Crystal. How was it working with the three of them? What can you say about the cast?
We're looking at the new generation of stars. That's how I felt. I said, like, when I was working with them, nakakapanibago kasi parang iba yung mga lagi kong nakakatrabaho noon. And then, suddenly, these are new faces, new dynamics. First time kong mag-love triangle na ganito ka-tight yung competition. But what really, it hit me when I was watching them and when we were, doing our scenes. This is the next gen. This is the new generation of stars and the new generation of love teams. And you're looking at the new leading men and leading ladies of Philippine cinema. And I'm excited and honored to be part of a project that launched them. And it's overwhelming din for me. It was challenging and of course, parang pressure din kasi parang, pinanood sila sa bahay ni Kuya as real people, but now they are actors. And I have to make sure na parang hindi lang sila makikilala sa love team, but as individual stars or makilala sila, ma-appreciate sila for their individual talents. I'm proud to say that they achieved that. And I'm excited for everyone to witness the talent and yung galing ng lahat sa kanila. Hindi lang silang tatlo, but everyone here on stage.